am going to teach language activities PP2. You remember, on Monday I taught sound O and A, you say O. Sound O and A, you read it as O. I want us to remind ourselves the words that have sound O and A, and you say O. Remember, we were breaking like this. G-O-T, G-O-T, goat. B-O-T, B-O-T, boat. G-O-T, G-O-T, coat. S-O-P, S-O-P, soap. B-O, remember here there's silent R, you don't sound out this one. B-O-D, B-O-D, bod. You don't sound it, but when you are writing, you have to write sound R. R-O-D, R-O-D, road. L-O-T, L-O-T, float. L-on, L-on, low. K-all, K-all, call. P-O-st, B-O-st, boast. Now today I want us to read these sentences. We read the sentences, and remember, not every word you must sound it out. My father has many cows and goats. My father has many cows and goat. 2. He left his coat inside the boat. He left his coat inside the boat. His brother likes roast meat. His brother likes roast meat. Number 4. A toad is like a frog. Number 4 again. A toad is like a frog. Now, I am going to give you homework for you to practice reading. If you will not be able to remember the words, kindly ask your parents to assist you. Thank you.